I've decided to say fuck you and add bacon to it. Baconed garlic bread. Oh, the sound always makes me giddy. But we're adding two. Oh, sizzling reminds me of my favorite war. Mozzarella cheese. Read my ingredients wrong because I'm a stupid little baby back in there. Nobody loves you. Add that in there. You can never truly have too much mozzarella cheese. That's what my poppy always said. Mozzarella cheese is fucking. It's cheese and it's mozz. Forgot to film me flipping the bacon. That cream cheese. Oh, so creamy. Just pick it up with your bare hand like a monster and throw it in. Oh. Anything like me, you hate waiting for cooking, so just throw this in the microwave. The numbers don't mean anything, so who gives a shit? Just press buttons. So I like this. You guys and me waiting for dough to cook, because this is how you cook dough. This is great. This is really something, you know. Looks like after stepdad comes home, needs some more arbitrary time. 30, fuck it, let's go. Oven to a nice temperature. It's warming up. It's a true temp. This is a true temp. Oh God, French, what the fuck? It came out, but something ain't looking. The egg, I forgot an egg. In you go, you little devil. In you go. Forget to mix the little egg in. Don't forget to mix the egg in. Don't forget to mix your egg in. Some garlic, and then I'm gonna cut up this bacon, and I'm gonna put it in my dough. I can't film myself cutting, but I'm cutting the bacon. But I am cutting the bacon. I'm telling you, I'm cutting it. Got my bacon all cut up, and I got my garlic. I'm just gonna grab some salt. There it is. And throw it in my... Jesus fucking Christ, what the hell is that? I've added some pepper, some you can see there. See that stuff? That's garlic. And then I got some bacon right here. You can see? You like it when I touch it slow like that? Fuck yeah, bacon. Kinda looks like mashed potatoes if mashed potatoes weren't shit, but that is the bacon and the garlic and mixed it all together with my jinglies. Oh shit, look, Amazon's here. Oh, hi, Amazon. Come give me my stuff. Send me the picture, little man, saying I've delivered your shit. Thank you. Yeah, don't slip on that ice. It looks really icy out there. Uh-oh. Get off your phone. So I've laid out the dough. And I, Jesus, fuck, what are you doing? Get out of here. Get out of here. Anyways, I've laid it out. I'm just gonna make some, I want to call them incisions, but I don't think that's correct for this terminology. Little nice stickies. Make like 6 stickies. You guys like 6 stickies, don't you? Look at that. How's that? Oh, but if I cut it in half, 12 stickies. Clean your mess, or else your parents will get fucking mad at you and hurt you, just like myself. A bit of a rebel, so I'm gonna put some cheese on top of my cheesy bread. My cheesy bread is literally made from cheese dough, but I don't give a fuck. I like. Can we agree? We just like cheese here. Okay, cheese is just fantastic. Let me throw this into the oven. God damn, that's hot. Shit. Okay, and we'll leave that in there for, look at the timing on that, for about 15 minutes. Keep that in there. So 1:15, we'll be back. Oh, it's time. Oh, let's take a look. Oh my God, look at it. Oh my God. Okay, now we gotta take this bad bitch. We gotta take this bad bitch out of here. Holy Lord. Now, my God, is that look at that. My God, it's so creamy. I'm gonna give her a big cut. It's really hard to do with one hand, actually. Come on. Cut in half for me, baby. Cutting, yeah. Bada boom. And now I'm gonna eat that, and you're welcome. I'll be back, maybe never.